What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Los TV. Today's episode, we're going to be focused on changing a vanity cover plate. As you can see right behind me, it's rusted, it's old, okay, and we got to get rid of it. There's new tenants coming in, so we want to make it look welcoming for them, and we don't want to give them some shitty ass looking place and be like, what is that? You know what I mean? So anyways, without further ado, we're going to get right into it, and we're also going to be installing the Philips 25 watt bulbs, all right? Let's do it. What's good, everybody? So we're gonna get right into it. Here is the vanity cover plate, and let's take it apart. Let's replace it. Let's restore this so we can see what our brand new vanity bulbs look like, and we can lighten up this fucking bathroom already. All right, let's get it.
Brothers and sisters and friends, and I see some enemies. In fact, I think we'd be fooling ourselves if we had an audience this large and didn't realize that there were some enemies present.
I'm a weapon that fires lyrical projectiles with no mercy. I'm cold-blooded like reptiles. Touch a pregnant bitch and make her give birth to a dead child. Every time I flex styles, niggas vacate the premises and become exiles. I manufacture rhymes like textiles of X-Files. Enlightened juveniles, living life with no purpose. Organize an army that'll make the devils nervous. Competition is worthless like the electoral vote. If you provoke, I'll break your motherfucking neck in the yoke. You're better off throwing your shitty life away sniffing coke. Technique will choke you into a spiritual state, and it would take a lake of hydrochloric acid to soften this. I'll fake your parents' suicide and kill you in the orphanage, but I inspire ideological metamorphosis. Stop talking shit or I'll make your existence a memory, so you can have me frozen cryogenically for centuries. But I'll break the ice if anyone on the planet mentions me. I'll burn a hypocritical flag intentionally. Explosive revolutionary chemistry's my destiny. No mercy is what I chemically bomb on enemies. Your life's a fucking mistake. Technique is the remedy. Destroy you before you become what you intended to be, and in the future you'll worship those that descended from me. No mercy is what I chemically bomb on enemies. Your life's a fucking mistake. Technique is the remedy. Destroy you before you become what you intended to be, and in the future you'll worship those that descended from me. When I fight you, I won't snipe you. I'll use an HIV-infected needle to strike you, as well as anyone that vaguely resembles or looks like you. And just to spite you, I'll force your children at gunpoint to bite you and rip a piece off to start the beef off for the rest of your petty limited life. I'm coming at you to catch you by surprise in a sight. Nobody's stupid enough to back you when I tactically attack you, because my style is nasty like protruding bone fractures, and you're a played out dirty pussy devil like Margaret Thatcher. But technique never get captured inside the rapture, cause I master the art of causing natural disasters. You should learn the difference in between the students and the master. My stature is the dispatcher of damaging decibels, and even though my starving people are considered expendable, I consecutively escape the racist corporate tentacles. I spit raw kinetic energy that's immeasurable. Retaliation for perpetration is unendable. Mercy is not extendable. I'll break your fucking brain down into psychological chemicals. No mercy is what I chemically bomb on enemies. Your life's a fucking mistake. Technique is the remedy. Destroy you before you become what you intended to be, and in the future you'll worship those that descended from me. No mercy is what I chemically bomb on enemies. Your life's a fucking mistake. Technique is the remedy. Destroy you before you become what you intended to be, and in the future you'll worship those that descended from me.
Smile.
see, it looks brand new. It looks way better now. Let's put on the light bulbs real quick. Like I said, 4 brand new ones. Alright. Move on. So there it is. Let me turn on the breakers and I'll be right back to show you guys how it looks. Alright. See that? Okay, so that's pretty much how you get it done. We've been successful, and I guess we gotta clean all this stuff up. But as you can see, watch, let me turn off the light. Okay, fresh. And look at the cups. They look good, right? I did a good job restoring them. So it's pretty simple, really. All you need is the right stuff. You need the right tools, the right materials, and the right supplies. So let's go ahead and wrap this up. Shit. More videos are on the way, definitely. A lot more videos are on the way. And also, thanks again. Thanks everybody for watching. Thanks everybody who subscribed, and keep subscribing, please. Keep subscribing. More videos are on the way, more ideas, more installations, more electrical, whatever, plumbing, anything at all. And like again, in other videos, like I said, if you have any ideas or anything you want to see me perform, install, break down, put together, restore, I can do just about anything in a unit. I can restore. I can also paint. I can do anything, you name it. All right, so without anything else to say, thanks again for watching. This is Los TV. Like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget. And peace out. Thanks.